Hi guys, it's Jen and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my Ipsy unbagging and I am way late to the game because my bag came way late. We got a crap ton of snow and we ain't used to snow here where I live. So because of that, my bag was delayed several days and my bag is actually pretty freaking frozen right now. I already know what's in here. I already had my makeup on because I wasn't for sure if I was going to get my bag. So this is what the bag looks like this month. It is based off of a tennis shoe, which is why they have like shoelace little zipper thing here. This isn't my favorite bag. Like, I get that it's like sporty and supposed to help you with your, you know, New Year's resolutions of losing weight, but I don't really care for the bag. I don't want a tennis shoe bag. But other than that, I do like the color of the bag. I just don't really like the texture of the bag. The inside is like neon, like yellow. So this month's theme is game face. And then that's pretty much it. I'm not going to read the card. So I'm going to go ahead and dig into this bag. Like I said, my products are frozen. So even if I had got not ready earlier, I'd be putting frozen products on my face. So I'm definitely not putting any of them on my face. But I am wearing a lipstick that I did get, and I'll get to that here in a second. But the first product that I got was this right here. It's by Real Chemist. This is a fresh foaming cleanser. I love cleansers. Ipsy can send me a bag full of cleansers, and I probably would be pretty happy. So I've never tried a foaming cleanser, so this is definitely going to be neat. And where my bag is frozen, the safety seal just popped right off. So it did have a safety seal. It comes out white. And I'm making a mess with this, so I guess I might as well just rub a little bit. It smells pretty good. So it's like the consistency of it. I think this is going to be a really nice product. It actually feels pretty moisturizing, just me rubbing it into my hand there. So I don't know. I'm sure I'm gonna like this. Like I said, I always love cleansers by Ipsy. So the product that is on my lips is this right here, and this is the NYX Lingerie lipstick. I have not tried these, so I don't know like how well they work. And like I said, my products are freaking frozen. This is in Satin Ribbon, so I don't know if that's like the lightest shade, but I actually like this. Like, it's coming out in globs because it's literally, it's frozen. So it's a really pretty like nude color, and a crap ton of lipstick is coming out because it's frozen. So yeah, this is a pretty color. Like I said, I'm actually wearing it on my lips right now. I put a nude liner around it to make it work a little better. It looks really peachy, and usually I don't like peach shades, but this one I don't really mind. So I can't wait to actually try this out when it's not frozen. The next product in here, and I'm not even gonna bother opening this because it is a brow pot, so I'm sure it's frozen too. I mean, the lipstick's frozen. This is definitely going to be frozen. But this is from BELLAPIERRE Cosmetics, and it is Stay Up Brow Gel. So this is what it looks like. It actually has a little brow pencil that comes out. I seriously doubt I'm going to use that. This is in the shade Licorice. So with it being the shade Licorice, I'm sure it's like really black, which will work especially when I dye my hair back to its natural color of being like super dark brown. But I'm probably gonna dye it black because I'm not really liking what I've done to my hair. So yes, this product I definitely will enjoy, I'm sure. I'm sorry, like I said, that I'm not trying these products on for you guys, but I already had my makeup on because I didn't know if I was going to get my bag or not. The next thing in my bag is the Mary Luminizer, and I have to say that I love this highlighter, but I'm really happy with the sample size that they're giving out now. I'm going to show you guys another sample that I have of this, and it is a lot tinier. The packaging is the exact same size, so these are the samples side by side. This is the one I already have, and then this is the new one. So packaging is exactly the same. I don't know if they have the same amount of product in it or not. Actually, they don't. The new sample sizes has a lot more product in it. It has 1.5 grams, as the old one has 0.57 grams. So the old samples have a lot less. New ones have a lot more. So that's really nice, especially for people that get Ipsy and don't like feel the need to buy full-size products, especially when you know you're going to turn around and get the sample of the product again. So bigger samples, I'm definitely a fan of that. So I'm just going to pop those over there. Then the next thing I got was a eyeshadow by Luna, and you guys know I'm a big fan of Luna. And this is in the shade Juliet. If I can open it, and that's what it looks like. It's a really champagne-y pale pink. That's what it looks like to me, at least. Oh, it's like a frosty pink. This would be a really pretty highlighter, actually. So that's it right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that would be a really nice highlighter. Here, we'll go ahead and just pop a little bit on the cheek there. I already have highlighter on, but why not add some more to it? I don't know if you guys can even see that, but we will. We'll just add a little bit more. Here, I'll put it over my cube. Well, I guess I'm putting it over this lipstick. Why not? Definitely made my lips look a lot bigger. So that is a really pretty color. This lipstick is actually drying down. So I guess that dries down matte. It does move. Like I said, I really don't know the consistency of that lipstick because of the fact that it's frozen. Alright, so that is the end of the bag. I'm pretty happy with my bag. I was kind of a little up in the air when I saw what I was getting because you guys know I usually try everything on, which I've said a million times in this video, but I'm pretty happy with everything I got. I was actually like looking at it and I was kind of disappointed, but after actually looking at everything and, you know, trying things on, I'm pretty content with this bag. So the bag itself is not my favorite, but the products in it, I'll definitely give it a B because it's not horrible, but it's not great. So that is the end of this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video on your social medias, and don't forget to hit the little bell down below after you subscribe. So until next time, bye guys.